Hey there, future homeowners. Welcome in. And today we're going over why and what we need to prepare when thinking about buying a house. As always, I'm a realtor in the St. Petersburg, Florida area. If you have any questions about this market, feel free to reach out. My information is down in the description below. So let's jump right into it. First off, why preparation matters is if you're going looking at homes and you don't have your financing in order, you're going to find a house that you really love. You're going to want to buy it, but you're not going to have enough time to get your financing in order for the seller to even take a look at your offer if you've not even started your loan applications or anything like that. So first off, you have to get your financing in order before you look at any home. When you're starting to look at your financing, go to a lender and they'll look at your debt to income ratio, or if you're just kind of thinking about it, you can do that on your own. It's really pretty simple. You take all the debts that you're paying on monthly, if you have a car payment, student loans, anything like that, and you're going to see how much that affects your take-home pay at the end of every month. So if you bring in $5,000 a month, but you pay $2,000 in student loans, car notes, things like that, then you're effectively bringing in $3,000, and you can only use 43% of that to put towards your mortgage payment. So that's kind of how they look at your financing to see whether you're going to be able to pay off this house every month. And that's how they're going to qualify you for the loan, is that formula. Another really great way to start preparing yourself to buy a home is to work on your credit score. If you've got big credit card bills that you're not paying off in full every month, try to work towards getting an extra job or making a little extra money and paying those off. As low as you can get your debt before you start looking at homes, the better. And that'll boost your credit score as well, which will make your monthly payment lower. And once you lock in your loan, it's there for 15, 30 years, however long you're going to get it for. And the preparation that you do now when looking for the home is going to determine how much you're paying every month on that for the next 15 to 30 years. So it's very important that you get your credit score up and get your debts down. Next, after you've paid off as much debt as possible, you're going to want to start saving for your down payment. If you can, and I know this is a stretch nowadays, 20% is ideal. That'll avoid your private mortgage insurance that they put on you if you put down anything less than 20%, which is just another fee. It's going to make your monthly payments higher. But you don't have to get all the way up to 20%, but the higher amount you put down originally is going to lower your monthly payment, and that's always a good thing. Next, you go in and get a pre-approval for your mortgage. This is really what separates you from a lot of other buyers. You submit this to the seller of the home. They take you a lot more seriously than someone that is just, putting an offer in saying, oh, I will pay you this, off of just their word. This is a note that's saying the bank will lend me this amount of money if I decide to buy a property and the appraiser says the property is worth this value. So now you've got your debt down, your credit up, you've got a pre-approval letter from your mortgage lender. Now you start looking at what kind of homes you want to buy. What do you need? How big of a house? Do you need multiple bathrooms, bedrooms? Kind of put your perfect ideal house in your mind and get the criteria for your realtor to start looking at homes. And if you can, be patient. If you have time to wait and you're not looking to get into a house immediately, the longer you can look on the market, you get homes that are a lot closer and more ideal for your living situation, and you get to get a much better view of the neighborhoods, just looking around at different homes, seeing what they're like at different times of day. Just be patient, take your time, look at as many homes as you can, because you're going to be there for a very long time. Congrats, you're ready to buy a home. As always, be patient, look at as many houses as you feel like is necessary, and get a realtor that you feel like you can trust. If you're in the St. Petersburg area, I'd love to help you out. My information is in the description as always, and I'll see you guys next time.